Colorado will be available in 4 familiar trims: Work Truck, LT, Z71, and the legendary ZR2. And for 2023, we've added the Trail Boss model to the lineup, giving customers 3 off-road truck options right from the showroom. What's more is all the models are built on a new chassis that gives the Colorado a 3.1-inch longer wheelbase along with a shortened front overhang. This not only contributes to a more aggressive stance, but offers a significantly improved approach angle.
The Colorado has a new design with rugged, tackle anything proportions, not to mention a much wider, more confident stance. Each of the 5 models have a distinct personality. The trims are distinguished by specific design cues, such as LED lighting on Z71, a high clearance front fascia on ZR2, and 18-inch wheels on Z71 and Trail Boss. And for the first time, wheel bolt patterns are shared with the Chevrolet Silverado, giving customers a range of Chevrolet accessory wheel options. But one thing the trims have in common is a new athletic styling of the hood. As we move down the front of the truck, you'll notice an aluminum skid plate that's ready for any off-road adventure. And by moving the front axle forward, the truck can sport larger off-road ready tires with ease. The cargo bed is one of the most important features in a pickup. We redesigned the bed to offer more options for hauling and securing items. Now there are 8 standard fixed tie downs and room for up to 9 additional accessory tie downs. Plus, there are 4 stake pockets on the top of the bed and 6 2x6-inch and 4 2x8-inch in-bed pockets. And the tailgate can be positioned midway between fully closed and open, allowing storage of longer items. Another new feature is the available first-in-class tailgate storage compartment. When the tailgate is down, the locking lid opens to reveal a 45-inch wide and 4-inch deep compartment that can hold tools or gear, but can also be used as a cooler. And that's just the exterior. Check out what's inside. The standard 11-inch diagonal infotainment touchscreen is the centerpiece of the cabin and is accompanied by a standard 8-inch diagonal, fully digital color instrument display. There's also an all-new center console with a more accessible drive mode selector and an extra large wireless phone charging pad. And perhaps most exciting, a sunroof is available on the Colorado for the very first time.
Every model of the 2023 Colorado is outfitted with a powerful 2.7-liter turbo engine, but there are 3 distinct output variants. The base variant has a GM estimated 237 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque and is standard on the Work Truck and LT. The mid-range has a GM estimated 310 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque and is standard on the Z71 and Trail Boss. And the high-output engine has a GM estimated 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a second-generation 8-speed automatic transmission, providing an exceptional combination of highway refinement and low-speed mobility, particularly in off-road driving. We made a number of enhancements to this engine to optimize performance. We used a more rigid cylinder block casting and a 30% stiffer crankshaft. A fully forged bottom end and other technology used in diesel engines ensures engine refinement our truck customers can depend on. All of these changes enable this advanced engine to make more horsepower and torque than the previous 3-engine lineup. But enough about the engine, let's talk tech. The new technology in the 2023 Colorado doesn't stop under the hood. Colorado's new standard 11-inch diagonal infotainment screen is designed to make the driving experience more enjoyable and more intuitive, and is customizable to fit your needs. We've added new available camera technology with up to 10 available camera views, including an all-new underbody camera available on the ZR2 and Z71. Hitch guidance and available hitch view, along with Chevy's trailering app, which is standard on ZR2 and available on all of the trims, also helps the drivers with all stages of trailering, from hitching to on-road assistance and even responding to potential hazards. Depending on the model, there's up to 5 available function and terrain-tailored drive modes that work with the Colorado's increased off-road capabilities: normal, tow haul, off-road, terrain, and Baja. Normal mode provides a balanced mode for everyday on-road driving. Tow haul mode optimizes transmission shift points, throttle response, and other calibrations for trailering and hauling. Off-road mode uses dynamic performance features designed for general off-pavement driving. Terrain mode is designed for low-speed off-roading. It uses specific throttle control, brake performance, and other calibrations. And Baja mode was developed for high-speed off-road driving. It utilizes specific throttle control, transmission shifting, and other body drivetrain control calibrations. And of course, the Colorado offers a new enhanced roster of safety and driver awareness features. The new Trail Boss model gives customers off-road capability and the aggressive appearance, all at an affordable price. Trail Boss comes with 32-inch all-terrain tires and 18-inch wheels. The 2023 Colorado ZR2 is a high-performance off-road truck that does everything well. The ZR2 suspension is lifted 3 inches over a Colorado work truck and has a ground clearance of 10.7 inches. It's equipped with several features to enhance its off-road performance, including segment-exclusive Multimatic DSSV dampers, special cast-iron control arms, front and rear electronic locking differentials, modified front and rear bumpers for better approach and departure angles, and off-road obstacle clearance, an aluminum skid plate to protect the radiator and engine oil pan and transfer case shield. But there's more news for ZR2. We're very excited to announce the first ever special edition ZR2 Desert Boss. Inspired by the Colorado's off-road racing program, the ZR2 Desert Boss takes the max off-road performance model even further. The Desert Boss comes with 17-inch beadlock capable wheels, a unique off-road bumper front fascia, a roof-mounted light bar, and underbody cameras. The ZR2 Desert Boss will not go unnoticed. It comes with unique Desert Boss decals, sports bar with sail panel, and black badging.